Hi everyone, it's Lana here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So today I want to show you my spring curly hair routine. As I'm filming this, it's the first day of spring. I'm so excited and I've switched up my curly hair routine just a little bit and I just want to show you what I'm doing lately, the products I'm using, the techniques that I'm loving and all of that. So this is the routine that took me from this to this. Big change in what, 2 hours? I suddenly look like a different person. It's crazy. Like right now my hair just feels so soft, so strong. So this video is kindly being sponsored by Function of Beauty. So I can't wait to show you this routine. Let's get into it. Okay, so you might remember that in my last curly hair routine, I was using Function of Beauty. So this was my first ever Function of Beauty order. I got it in pink. I got it with a floral scent. I think I was just trying to cheer myself up in the cold weather a little bit. This was my conditioner. I've pretty much used all of it. I actually went and ordered a bunch more products from Function of Beauty. So if you didn't already know, Function of Beauty offers fully customizable hair products. So you can choose your ingredients. You can choose whether you want it to have silicones or not. You can decide whether you want it to help you volumize or add shine or anything like that. You can also choose the scent and the color too. So you go onto the Function of Beauty website and you go to the hair quiz. You just answer all the questions about your hair and what you want your products to do for you. So my natural hair is curly, and then it asks about your hair structure. So what does a single strand of hair feel like? So mine is pretty much medium. It's actually a little bit on the fine side, but I'm going to say medium. What is your scalp moisture? So I'm going to say balanced because they specifically say the day after washing, and my scalp doesn't start to feel dry until like a week after washing. So I'm going to say that the day after washing my hair is pretty much balanced. Then do you color treat your hair? No, my hair is natural. Which color best describes your hair? I think black. Select your hair goals. So I'm gonna say curl definition 100%. You guys know that I'm a curl definition girl. I choose definition over anything every day. I want shine, hydration. You know, they have so many different things here though, like anti-frizz, curl lengthening, fixing split ends, all of that stuff you could choose from. Is how do you style your hair? So I air dry and use a hair dryer a little bit. So I'm gonna say that. Frizz control, humidity shield, smooth, volumize, all of that's included in the quiz. So I'm gonna go with curl definition, of course, and a little bit volumizing. The next question is what level of hold do you prefer in your styling products? So I'm gonna say medium. So when I have my other bottle, I just call it Lana, so it came up Function of Lana, but this time I'm going Lana Summer. I don't know why. I'm going minimalist. I'm going eucalyptus, mint, lavender, and rosemary. I don't know why. That just speaks to me for springtime. We're having spring cleaning. I just want everything to be minimal, clean. I've had a big clear out at home, and that's just how I'm feeling for springtime. Curly, medium, balance, natural, black, curl definition. And then if you're like a bit of a nerd like me, it actually comes up and tells you all of the ingredients that are in your hair care. So if you care about your ingredients, this is just going to be perfect for you. So mine has betaine, which offers care, protection, strengthening, and conditioning for the hair. Chia seed extract, baobab extract, sweet almond extract, aloe juice, acacia extract. So many amazing ingredients in there. And yeah, that's what I ordered. Okay, so first up is my shampoos and conditioners. So I went with the sage green color this time because I just felt like it feels so fresh for springtime. I think fresh, green, the flowers are budding but they're not quite out yet. I have the hair mask, again it's in green. I've really been loving using this, so really excited. And this is the leave-in as well. So for some reason you can't change the color of the leave-in, so I always just get it in this kind of like creamy color, but it works, so that's the main thing that matters. I also have the hair serum. Everything from Function of Beauty is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It also comes with pumps for your shampoo and conditioner as well. And it comes with stickers too. I'm gonna put that on this side. So this is so cute because it kind of comes with like this little guide on how to use your products, which just so many products don't do, and then we have to watch YouTube videos to figure out how to use our products. Oh my goodness, it just smells so good and so fresh. And for someone like me, like when I have a lot of buildup on my scalp and it's just feeling clogged and it's feeling itchy, mint products are so good. Like they really just get in there and freshen everything up, and I just know my scalp is about to feel so good. I'm loosening things up a little bit in there, and obviously you know what happens, those flakes start to come up. It's a little bit gross actually, but you know, on this channel we're all about honesty. Like every day I'm like doing this hairstyle and I'm like sleeking it back like this. I'm using products on my scalp, creating buildup on top of what my body is producing as well. So yeah, I'm just doing this with my fingers, just help loosen everything up before I step in the shower. Okay, so with my hair ready to go, I jump into the shower and I'm going to start wetting my hair with warm water. Yes, this is warm. It's actually pretty warm because it's not warm enough outside for me to be having cold showers just yet. So I take my shampoo and I squeeze a few pumps of that into my hand and I apply that right on to the roots of my hair and my scalp. So with this first shampoo, it's really not lathering too much. I'm really just trying to work that in around my scalp. I make sure that I put that, behind my ears, around the nape of my neck as well, because when you have a lot of hair, it can actually be quite hard to reach those areas. So you have to be quite intentional and make sure you get this shampoo everywhere. So I'm going to rinse this out and I'm going to go in a second time. So I'm doing the whole shampoo, rinse, repeat thing. I never used to do this, but I'm definitely seeing the benefit now ever since I learned that I have quite a lot of buildup on my scalp. So once that first lot is rinsed out, I'm going to go in again. So I'm taking a few more pumps of my Function of Lana shampoo and I'm applying that again onto my roots, onto my scalp, behind my ears, at the nape of my neck. And I noticed the second time it really lathers up so much more, and that's just a sign to me that my hair is getting cleaner. The product has less dirt and grit in the way that's preventing it from lathering up as much. So it turned into a lot of lather, maybe a bit too much. And this kind of just taught me I don't need to use as much product. I think a little goes a long way, which is obviously great for my wallet. So I'm just going to go and rinse this out. Again, I'm using warm water to do this. And I just want to do the scalp test before I move on to the next step. So I'm really just feeling my scalp, feeling whether there's any buildup there, any flakiness that you can feel underneath your fingers, and it feels great. So I'm going to move on to the next step, which is conditioner. So I'm applying my conditioner liberally all over my hair from the mid-lengths all the way down to the ends. And when I have this on my hair, I usually leave it sitting on my hair for a couple of minutes, like just while I'm cleaning my body and things. And then once it's had a little bit of an effect, then I'll go and start detangling my hair. So you can see it started off in a really bad way and really quickly I was able to just get it all smoothed out. And again, I realized I used way too much product. So definitely less product next time. Then I wrap my hair into a bun and I clean the rest of my body. Just make sure that I wash off any conditioner that got onto my body, because obviously that can clog my pores on my back and things and cause acne. So I'm being really careful to make sure that I don't leave any hair products on my body. When my body is clean, I'm going to rinse my hair really carefully and avoid getting any conditioner on my body, and then I'm going to step out of the shower. Okay guys, so my hair is clean, like super clean. Okay, so next I'm just going to follow up with the Function of Beauty hair mask for a bit of extra care for my hair. Oh. Guys, I can't even tell you how obsessed I am with this scent. Like this whole time, throughout this whole routine, I have just been like breathing in the aroma of minty freshness. It's just absolutely to die for. And this mask is so smooth and creamy. I've used masks before where it's like it kind of feels sticky or like just really hard. Like there's a couple I've used where it's like you try to get it out of the jar and for some reason it's just so thick and hard you can't even get it out of the jar. But this is just so creamy and feels so nice. I think my hair is just going to absolutely eat that up. So I'm just going to comb that through. Make sure it's evenly distributed. Really focusing that on the mid-lengths here and down towards the ends. Actually avoid putting it towards the roots of my hair, so I'm like kind of bummed I've just like accidentally got a bit here. I don't really want that there. Okay, so I'm consulting my leaflet from Function of Beauty and they actually told me to section my hair into quarters. I never do that and I'm doing fine. So I'm just going to ignore that little bit of advice. And then they say to leave this on for 15 to 30 minutes. So I am going to do that. I'm going to go and eat my lunch and I'll be back to rinse and do the rest of my routine. Okay, so my hair has been rinsed, so now it's time to style my hair. So I've actually gone and squeezed out all of the excess water in my hair first of all, just to make sure that when I'm applying my products aren't just going to get lost when I squeeze my hair out and all the water comes out and all the product goes out with it. So I do that step first, always. Okay, so right now my hair just feels so strong and smooth, and I still have the residue of that eucalyptus and mint scent as well, which is just so fresh and invigorating. To me, it just encapsulates spring because I feel like reawakened, refreshed for the year. I'm just really excited about it being spring. Like, the day I'm filming this is the first day of spring, so yeah, I'm excited. Function of Lana leave-in conditioner, love that for me. And this time I really am going to separate my hair because I take my styling very seriously. Okay, so I'm just going to squeeze some of this into my hands, run it through my hair. So with this leave-in, you can see this is like really runny, like definitely more runny than what I would go for in winter. In winter, I'm definitely using thicker creams as leave-in, like curl creams and things. In the springtime, I do just like to go for something a little bit lighter just because the weather is milder. It's getting slightly warmer. It's not too humid. It's not too cold. So the elements just aren't attacking my hair the same way that they are in the height of summer or the depths of winter. So I can afford to just have a lighter products, a little bit less of that thick protection on my hair, and my hair is going to be able to just thrive and feel lightweight and bouncy, which I'm just really looking forward to for spring. And I have the pink Denman brush, by the way, guys. I don't think that I have spoken enough about this. It's white and it's pink. I just can't get enough of this, and it's just so perfect for the springtime. When that's done, I just throw that to the back. Shake it out a little bit just so that it kind of knows what it's doing back there. Otherwise, you know, when it dries and it's kind of stretched forward, like it dries like that, I don't want that. I just want to put it back, shake it back so that when it's dry, it knows that it's supposed to be back like that. I hope that makes sense. Leave-in on the ends is really important because, especially for me, my ends do tend to get very dry. So I just want to make sure that those stay nourished throughout the week. So now I just scrunch my hair a little bit. Again, I just shake it out. Yes, I have this little curly right there, and no, I didn't cut it. That is actually heat damage. I'm pretty sure that my hair just snapped off because I was doing all kinds of like just curling it and stuff. Yeah, don't make my mistake. So I don't want my hair to take all day to dry, so I'm just gonna scrunch as hard as I can. Try to scrunch out any excess moisture. I think I did a good job before though, so I'm not really feeling like anything extra is coming out. So that's good. Okay, so this is how I dry my hair. So first of all, I usually start with plopping, and I'll usually plop for about half an hour. So this is how I do it. So I'm gonna tie this. You can even use like a hair tie. And I tie this corner of the towel together down here. And then with the rest of my hair, I'm just gonna hold it there. And I'm just gonna dunk that into the towel. So it's not like wrapped up in the towel, it's just dunked in. And then you can kind of combine this with that part. And now that is how my hair is going to sit for about half an hour.
So after half an hour, that's when I go in with my diffuser. So I always use the Dyson Supersonic on the lowest heat. And when my hair feels pretty much dry, I'm going to go in with the Function of Beauty Hair Serum. So this is mostly a blend of different oils like annatto oil, sunflower seed oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil. It does actually also contain silicones as well. And all of this together is going to help to coat my hair, keep the frizz away, and keep it smooth and shiny as well. So I do actually really enjoy using this, and once that's on my hair, I'm just going to leave my hair to dry the rest of the way naturally.
Also, sorry if I keep flipping my hair around, but this is honestly my favorite thing about having fresh, clean hair. Just the fact that it there's no tangles in it yet, and it's so free and it's so flowy, and I can just be like this, like every 5 seconds, I'm just like, ooh, just shaking it up, because I just, you know, that's my favorite thing about having fresh hair. So that is my routine, and remember, if you want to try out any of the Function of Beauty products that I used, I will leave them linked down below. Definitely make sure you check them out. Leave me a comment down below as well. Tell me what your formulation would be for Function of Beauty. What color would you choose? What scent? Would you go silicone free or not? Because there's a little bit of a discussion about that lately in the curly hair space. Like, are silicones really as bad as we thought they were? Let me know in the comment section down below, what would you choose? I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notifications. That really helps me with the algorithm, so it would mean a lot if you did that. Also, thank you so much for watching this video right through to the end. Like, you have no idea how much that helps the algorithm, just the fact that you're still here. So if you're watching this right this second, I truly appreciate you. I really hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.